Hello my Rhapsody fam, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka and in today's video I am going to create a no makeup look. Now no makeup look can be differ as person's choices. So sometimes people really like to do a little no makeup a literal no makeup look when they do not use any single makeup but just prep their skin with some kind of good skincare and jewelry and hairstyles and something like that. So if you want to know more about this, like a literal no makeup look, then do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to create that as well, but in this video I'm gonna create a makeup look which is a no makeup look which is created with using very minimal products like concealer, color corrector and lipsticks. So if you are interested in this video, then please keep on watching and make sure. I also have an Instagram account where I do upload so many things that I do not upload here on YouTube. So if you want to check that out, the handle name will be somewhere on the screen and I will also leave the link in the description box below. So if you are interested, then please go and check out my Instagram account, and if you like my content, do subscribe, do follow me. And now with that being said, let's dive right into this video. Now firstly I would like to tell you that why me, I, you and most of the people in the world like to create this no makeup look, because they want to hide if they have any kind of imperfection. That is my, like, if from in my opinion, if you have any other reason to create a no makeup look or reason to do a makeup, then that's completely up to you. But I personally do no makeup look because there are a few imperfections on my face. Like if you can see, there is hyperpigmentation here and on this part of my face, and I have acne scars and some pigmentations. So I want to hide that, not on a daily basis, especially when I'm attending any kind of special event, wedding or any function. Then I want to like a little bit of makeup on me. So that is why I do no makeup look. I, no matter what I do, just big on camera I do a full makeup look, but whenever I'm attending any wedding also, I do not do full makeup, like full on makeup. I do not put full on makeup on my face. So now to get that perfect no makeup base and look, what you have to do first is to prep your skin with a nice skincare routine. So I have already done that, but now I'm gonna take you through first quickly that what I use these days to prep my skin for on everyday basis also, and when I do a no makeup look, or whenever I do my makeup. Like I do it every time and every single day. So the first step is to cleanse your face. I use currently I'm using, and I am using that face wash for a very long time now, and that is Himalaya Fresh Start blueberry face wash, and I love that. So if you have oily and combination skin, you can definitely go for that. If you have dry skin, I think you should use any other variant like the aloe vera one from the Himalaya Fresh Start, and you would love that. And to tone my skin, like to give a little bit hydration, quick hydration to my skin, I use this Sat Natural Pure Hydrosol, and this is rose water. I use any rose water whenever I have any. Now currently I have so many rose water in my vanity, but I am using this one more often these days because this is really nice. If you want to give this a go, you can definitely try. And then I also use currently I'm using this Minimalistic Epicam 3% plus oatmeal moisturizer, and this is how the bottle looks like. I have spoken about this in my one of the last recent videos. I did my February favorites video, and I included this in that video. So if you want to know more about this, do let me know in the comment section below. You can watch that video as well. You will get an idea what if I, of course I am using it, that is because I am liking it. So I use this, and if you want to know more about a detailed review about this particular product, then you can definitely let me know. I will definitely do a video on this one as well. And definitely if we are going out in a daytime, or even if we are staying in, and we should apply a sunscreen. That's the point that I want to make. So I use this La Shield SPF 50 plus with the UVA and UVB protection, and this is PA plus plus plus, not 50 SPF 50 plus plus. So this is what I used. This is what I'm using recently, like from last 3 to 4 months, and I really enjoy this. And this is the dermatologically tested and approved and suggested by them also. So you can definitely give it a go if you have oily, sensitive, acne prone, whatever skin type you have. I think this is the sunscreen that every skin type would love to use. And once we have prepped our skin with a good skincare routine, our next step to do makeup, a no makeup look. Now that we have prepped our skin, the next step is to hide any imperfection or dark pigmentation or discoloration if we have on our face. I have many, as you can see. This one is pretty much clear on camera, and even if I apply some medium coverage makeup also, this pigmentation is something that comes out really that's really on the face. So that's what I want to make. And so I'm using My Glam Total Makeover FF Cream palette. This has foundation, a color corrector and concealer as well, and a full size mirror right here. So I have done a full on review on this, so I'm going to link that video in the description box below. So if you want to check that out, you can definitely do. So I'm using this color corrector from the palette, and I'm going to very lightly cover all the pigmentation that I have on my face. And this is how I create my no makeup look. If you want, you can add on some mascara and the eyeliner, and you can wear any. I'm wearing nude lipstick, but if you want, you can wear a bold lipstick like red, bright pink, or something like that. It's completely up to you how you want to enhance your look more according to your preferences. And that is one more thing that I would like to mention right here, that no matter what, if you really want a no makeup look, the concept is that you don't wear any kind of makeup. But if you are wearing any single makeup product, then it's gonna look very it's gonna look, sometimes look from the far, but sometimes look when someone is really standing in front of you, very close to you, then it's gonna look like you are wearing some makeup on your face. But no matter what, if you are wearing makeup, at the end of the day, the other person is gonna know that you are wearing some makeup, or very less, or some makeup on your face basically. So but if you want actual no makeup look, where you do not want to wear any single product of makeup, so do let me know in the comment section below. That is why I introduced the concept in the beginning as well. So if you want to know more about actual no makeup look, then do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to create that video as well for you guys. And if you like this video, then please give this video a big fat thumbs up, share with your friends, family, and everyone who's gonna need this and enjoy this video. Comment down anything you want to suggest or let me know from my side. I would love to answer all your queries. And do subscribe to my channel if you like watching me and my content. And I also have an Instagram account. If you want to know me personally, then do follow me on my Instagram. It's completely up to you. If you like the content, do follow. If you don't like the content, don't follow. I would love to create some content that someday you would come and definitely gonna follow me. I bet on that. And this is all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I will see you in my next one. Till then, bye bye.